Have you ever wondered? A young boy challenged a tyrant king, and even after his death, he changed the fate of an entire nation. This story will shake you. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the channel. This story from a time when a cruel king forced people to worship him instead of God. Anyone who refused was punished or killed. The king had a magician. As the magician grew old, he said, "Send me a boy so I can teach him my magic." A young boy chosen. But on his way, he met a monk. A man was truth. The monk taught him about God, faith, and truth, and slowly the boy believed. One day, a huge beast blocked the road. People were terrified. The boy said, "Today I will find out who is true." He made a prayer. "O God, if the monk is upon truth, then kill this beast." He threw a stone and the beast died instantly. People were shocked. Soon, by God's will, the boy started healing people. The blind could see, the sick were cured. A close servant of the king, who was blind, got his sight back. The king asked, "Who healed you?" He replied, "God did." The king became furious. The boy was brought to the king. "Leave your faith," the king ordered. But the boy said, "I will never leave my Lord." The king tried to kill him, throw him off a mountain, tried to drown him, but every time God saved him. Finally, the boy said, "You can't kill me unless you do what I say." The king agreed. The boy said, "Gather all people, tie me to a tree, and say, 'In the name of God, the Lord of the boy,' then shoot your arrow." The king did exactly that. He said the words, shot the arrow, and the boy died. But what happened next changed everything. The people shouted, "We believe in the Lord of the boy." One boy gave his life and guided an entire nation. Moral of the story: truth always wins. Faith is stronger than fear. And remember, real belief is so powerful, even death can't defeat it. If this story opened your eyes, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful Islamic stories. And please tell me in the comments, what do you think about this story? Thank you so much.